Yeah. Hello, welcome to TTL Network in Germany. My name is Achim Beukes, and we present you some highlights of this year. All the products you can find in our catalog is just ready from printing, and here are some of the highlights of this year. One is the HDBaseT Ultraflex patch cable. Also, we offer active optical cable for HDMI, DVI, DisplayPort and USB. Also very new is the Steel-Armoured Cat6A patch cable with a very thin and high flexible diameter. Also the premium Ultraflex cables HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4 up to 8K. Also the premium micro coax cable for HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.2 and USB 3.0. For more information, please visit our webpage under ttl-network.de. Thank you.